I did my MTech in JNTU, Hyderabad campus. What happened is HCL company came for campus interview. No, not HCL, CTS. CTS company came, Cognizant company came for campus interview. Their package at that time 2.4 lakhs, 2.4 or 2.5 lakhs. I did wonderful way. I thought that I'm going to get the job. Okay, late night at 10 o'clock, they are announcing the results. So recruitment process happened until night 10 o'clock. HR round, all the rounds I attended. Then my name will be there. First name, second name, third name. I'm keep on waiting. Last name also completed. My name is not there. Then I felt very sad that day. Very sad, very sad. Almost I cried. After 2 days, IBM came. IBM came for the campus placement. When compared with the CTS, IBM brand value is more. Offered package also more at that time. Then I got a job in IBM. Then the total night I felt very happy. I didn't sleep also. Here just observe that after getting IBM job, unnecessary I cried, unnecessary I felt bad. It's a good thing happened in my life is I didn't selected for CTS. Okay, the problem there is in JNTU one rule is there. If you got selected for one company, then you are not allowed for the remaining entrants. If I got selected for the CTS, then I may not allowed for the IBM. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
So I got placed in IBM. Then I felt very happy. This was happened almost around 25 years before 20 years, 20. Like so, always something is good thing is going to be happen. Wait for that.